Right, so in its recently completed second quarter, the company said that net sales grew by nearly 9% to over $3.1 billion. And that was above the higher end of the guidance that management told investors to expect. Investors to expect a certain range in terms of revenue, and it was above the higher end of that range. So that was good news for Chewy stock investors. The management team went on to say that the strength of their auto ship program in categories such as consumables and health anchored second quarter net sales performance. Second quarter auto ship sales of 2.58 billion represented 83% of their overall sales. And this is what I was talking about in the beginning of the video when I said there's something about this business that I really like. It's this auto ship. And auto ship is similar to subscribe and save from Amazon if you use that feature. It's where, if you want your pet food once every month, you just click something to tell Chewy to send it every month a certain amount or a certain brand. Or if you have multiple things, you can have them all delivered in that same order with your medicine and your food. And so it's something that's a win-win situation. It's a win for customers because it removes something you have to do and something you might forget if you didn't have it automated, right? You might forget that you needed to order your dog food this month and it might be a week late and you might have to go out and go to the store to get the dog food because it ran out, right? We live busy lives and it's something we might forget if it wasn't automated. So it removes something you have to do, and that's a big help for most people's lives. So it's a win for customers. It's a win for Chewy because it makes the business more easier to manage. If you know as a manager of a business what your sales are going to be like, where your sales are going to come from, what product it's going to sell, where you need to send that product, it makes your business so much easier to manage. So I've calculated an intrinsic value or a fair value for Chewy stock. I believe this business, I've calculated the value of this business to be $57.53. The current market price is $38.29. So even after accounting for a margin of safety, which I always like to do, of between 5 and 10%, Chewy stock still looks undervalued. And so I updated my recommendation for Chewy stock this morning, reiterating to investors that I still like this business. I still think it offers investors an attractive risk versus reward. So I reiterated my buy rating for Chewy stock today. Click the link below to watch the full video.